Yolandi by TANYA SHATSEVA, version 3 special treatment. We have electric diamonds for version 1 in the background to give it a glistening feel. And then for version 2, we have sapphire diamonds that we have placed in the water. Those are the blue special beads you see. And finally, for all of the orange red areas in this picture, that would include the eyes of the rats, their tails, as well as her lips, will be sprinkled with auburn crystals. So it's up to you if you'd like to focus on just the rat's eyes and ears and tails, or you would like to include her lips as well as what we've done over here. And there's like a red sort of streak running across her cheek that we've also placed the auburn crystals in. So once again, for Yolandi by TANYA SHATSEVA, version 3 special treatment, we have electric diamonds, sapphire diamonds, and auburn crystals.